Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we have an exciting unboxing and review for you. We'll start by opening the box of the Suunto 9 Peak Pro Titanium Sand and showing you what's inside. Once the box is open, we'll dive into a detailed description of this incredible product, highlighting its specifications, advantages, and positive aspects. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro is a true masterpiece of engineering. It boasts a bezel made of titanium, which not only gives it a sleek and elegant look but also ensures its durability and resistance to wear and tear. The sapphire crystal glass provides exceptional protection against scratches, while the glass fiber reinforced polyamide case adds to its ruggedness. The strap is made of high-quality silicone, offering comfort and flexibility for long-term wear. Weighing just 55 grams, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro is remarkably lightweight, making it comfortable to wear throughout the day. The strap, with a width of 22 millimeters, fits snugly on your wrist, catering to wrist sizes ranging from 125 to 175 millimeters, or 125 to 200 millimeters depending on the model. Additionally, accessory straps are available for wrist sizes up to 215 millimeters, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro comes with integrated wrist heart rate monitoring, allowing you to keep track of your heart rate during workouts and daily activities. With customizable watch faces and touch screen lock during exercise, you have full control and can personalize the watch to suit your preferences. The color display, complemented by a vibration alert, provides a vibrant and engaging user experience. You can also rely on automatic daylight saving time adjustment, ensuring your watch stays up to date. When it comes to water resistance, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro can withstand pressures up to 100 meters, making it suitable for swimming and water sports. Its rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers impressive performance, and firmware upgrades can be easily done, ensuring your watch stays up to date with the latest features and improvements. The watch also includes essential features such as time, date, alarm clock, dual time, countdown timer, stopwatch timer, and support for multiple languages. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro excels in providing excellent visibility with its LED backlight and automatic brightness configuration. The button lock feature ensures that the watch remains locked during exercise, preventing accidental inputs. The 1.2-inch matrix display offers a clear and crisp view with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. The battery indicator keeps you informed about the remaining battery life, so you never run out of power unexpectedly. The watch supports both metric and imperial units, catering to users worldwide. Moving on to the physical specifications and battery life, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro offers intelligent charge reminders, ensuring that you never forget to recharge. In time mode, the battery can last up to 30 days, providing long-lasting performance for everyday use. With 24/7 tracking and mobile notifications, you can rely on the watch for up to 21 days before needing a recharge. For training mode with GPS, the battery life ranges from 40 hours to an impressive 300 hours, depending on the selected mode. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro is equipped with a digital compass, enabling precise navigation in various environments. With tilt compensation and declination correction, you can trust the accuracy of your compass readings. The watch also includes connectivity features such as Bluetooth, compatibility with the Suunto app, media controls, predefined replies to messages, and compatibility with online sports communities. Receive phone notifications directly on your watch and enjoy over-the-air software updates for enhanced functionality. This watch is not just about activity tracking, it's your ultimate outdoor companion. It features step counting, calorie tracking, activity targets, and detailed activity history. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro also excels in sleep tracking, stress and recovery monitoring, and offers a range of outdoor functions. With GPS tracking and navigation using multiple satellite systems GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, Beidou, you can explore new territories confidently. Intelligent battery modes optimize performance based on your needs, and waypoint and visual route navigation make your adventures hassle-free. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro incorporates various training functions to enhance your fitness journey. From interval training to heart rate monitoring and training load analysis, it offers valuable insights to help you improve. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, swimmer, or engage in other sports, this watch has you covered with specialized sport modes, including running pace, Suunto fused speed trademark, running power from wrist or with STRYD sensor, and lap tables for easy tracking and analysis. If you're into cycling or enjoy multi-sport activities, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro caters to your needs. It supports various sport modes, ensuring accurate tracking and performance analysis. Whether you're diving into new depths or seeking altitude, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro provides the necessary tools. With weather information, you can stay informed about the conditions during your outdoor adventures. With the Suunto 9 Peak Pro, you can easily share and relive your experiences. The watch offers sport expertise in multiple disciplines, allowing you to track your progress and achieve your goals. From swimming to running and cycling, it adapts to your preferred sports seamlessly. The watch provides comprehensive features for training recovery, training load analysis, and offers personalized adaptive training guidance. To conclude, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro is a remarkable timepiece that combines durability, functionality, and style. Its titanium bezel, sapphire crystal glass, and reinforced polyamide case ensure longevity, while the silicone strap provides comfort for extended wear. With its advanced features, including GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and multiple sport modes, it caters to the needs of fitness enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro is a reliable and versatile companion that empowers you to push your limits and explore new horizons. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the unboxing and review of the Suunto 9 Peak Pro. We hope you enjoyed learning about this exceptional product. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon.